trying to get slippers.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, this one? I may have to pull this little bling thing you have off the ignition.
Huh?
This little thing, I may have to take that off.
Okay.
I'm gonna check in a second. All right, one more just to know for sure. Failure. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take it off. Let's stop playing around over here. The card. Transmission off. Okay. Turn off. My other phone got too hot, but as soon as I switched phones, or whenever I took that off, it started programming just fine. Next key now. There you go. Complete. Alright, we're done. Let me cut the door key. This guy's messy up sometimes. Yeah, I kept trying to program the key, it wouldn't take, and then I took that thing off the... and then it took fine.
Okay. So. What's your cash app?
Sure, let me type it in.
You at that point, I can bring it anywhere you at.
That's right.
I'm sure they'll find it, but it was like, I looked in this warehouse. It's not really that big of a warehouse, but it's big enough when you're looking for something so small.
Yeah.